I wake up early. I hear birds singing outside. The sun is rising. I stretch my body. I take a deep breath. It is a new day. I feel calm. I feel grateful. I get out of bed. My feet touch the floor. It is cool. I walk to the window. I open the curtains. The light comes in. It fills the room. It is soft and warm. I make my bed. I put everything in order. I like things clean. It makes me feel good. I drink some water. It is fresh and cold. I feel awake now. My body is ready. I look at the sky. It is blue and clear. I think about today. I feel positive. I say good morning to myself in the mirror. I am ready for the day. I am ready for life. This is how I start. Every morning the same. Small things matter. They make me strong. I go to the bathroom. I turn on the light. I wash my face. The water is cold. It wakes me up. I brush my teeth. I do it slowly. I look in the mirror. I smile at myself. I comb my hair. I make it neat. I like it simple. I open the closet. I choose my clothes. A clean shirt. Comfortable pants. I put on my shirt. It feels good. I button it up, one button at a time. I wear my shoes. They are clean. I tie the laces. I feel ready now. I check the time. It is still early. I take a deep breath. I am prepared. I look one more time. In the mirror. I say to myself, "You can do this." I take my bag. I check everything. I am ready. Now I can go. I go to the kitchen. I turn on the light. I make some coffee. The smell is good. I pour the coffee. It is hot. I blow on it. I take a sip. I prepare some bread. I put butter on it. Sometimes I add jam. It tastes sweet. I sit at the table. I take a bite. The bread is soft. The coffee is warm. I check my phone. I read some news. I see the weather. It looks sunny today. I think about my plans, what I need to do. I make a small list in my mind. I finish my breakfast. I feel full. I feel energy. I feel good. I clean the table. I wash the cup. I put everything away. The kitchen is clean. I stand up. I look around. Breakfast is done. Now I can go. I leave my house. The street is busy. People walk fast. Cars pass by. I listen to music or a podcast. It makes me happy. I walk with rhythm. I look at the sky. The day feels fresh. The air is clean. I breathe deeply. I see the trees. I see the flowers. I see the people. Everyone is moving. I cross the street. I wait for the light. I think about my day. I feel motivated. The sun is warm. It touches my face. I smile a little. I keep walking. I arrive at the bus stop, or I walk to work. It does not matter. I enjoy the way. The journey is short, but it is mine. I feel alive. I feel ready. I move forward, step by step. The day is waiting. I am ready too. I arrive at work. I say hello to my colleagues. They smile back. I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer. I check my emails. I see new messages. I organize my tasks. Some are easy, some are difficult. I start with the hard one. I stay focused. I work step by step. I solve problems. I find solutions. Time passes quickly. I do not feel bored. I like what I do. I feel useful. I finish one task. I feel proud. I start the next. I keep going. The morning is busy, but I like it. I learn something new. Every single day. I take a break. I drink some water. I breathe deeply. I am ready again. I take a short break. I open my English app. I read a short text. It is easy. I learn new words. I write them down. I say them out loud. I repeat them. I listen to the audio. I repeat the sentences. I try to speak. I make mistakes. That is okay. Mistakes help me grow. I correct them. I try again. I watch a short video. I understand most. I feel happy. I am improving. I practice pronunciation. I say words slowly, then faster. I feel better. I close the app. I feel good. I learned something. Today, again. Learning is daily. Small steps matter. I keep practicing. I keep growing. I go back to work with new energy. I feel stronger. I feel smarter. I feel hungry. It is lunchtime. I go to eat. Sometimes with friends, sometimes alone. I choose a simple meal. Rice, vegetables, meat. It looks good. We talk and laugh. We share stories. We relax together. It feels nice. Or I watch videos on my phone. I eat slowly. I enjoy the food. The food gives energy. I feel better. My mind is clear. I am ready again. I finish my lunch. I drink some water. I clean my place. I go back to work. Lunch is peaceful. It is my break. I feel calm. I feel strong. The afternoon waits. I am prepared. I take one step, then another step. I smile a little. The day is good. I keep going. I keep learning. The afternoon is slower. I feel a little tired, but I keep working. I stay focused. I finish important tasks. I check my list. I mark what is done. I feel proud. I answer messages. I reply quickly. I stay organized. I do not delay. Some tasks are hard. I take a deep breath. I think clearly. I solve them. I plan tomorrow. I write new tasks. I make a schedule. It feels good. Step by step. Little progress matters. I do not give up. I keep moving. I drink some water. I stretch my body. I feel better. I continue. The afternoon passes. I do my best. I learn every day. I grow every day. I finish my work. I feel accomplished. I am ready to go. The day was good. Work is finished. I go back home. The sky is orange. The air feels different. I open the door. I enter my house. I take off my shoes. I feel relaxed. I take a shower. The water is warm. It washes the day. It makes me clean. I change my clothes. I wear comfortable things. I sit on the couch. I feel calm. Maybe I watch TV. Maybe I read a book. Maybe I listen to music. I slow down. I drink some tea. It is hot and nice. I think about today. I feel peaceful. The evening is quiet. I enjoy the silence. I enjoy the moment. I enjoy being me. I prepare for tomorrow. I set new goals. I feel ready. I feel good. The day is ending, but I am happy. Tomorrow is coming. I am waiting. The day is ending. I sit in my room. I think about today. What did I learn? What did I improve? I feel proud. Even small wins count. They make me happy. I remember the morning. I remember the work. I remember the lunch. I remember the evening. I write in my journal. I write 3 things. 3 good things. 3 things I am grateful for. I close my eyes. I breathe slowly. I feel calm. I feel peace. I prepare for tomorrow. I set new goals. I plan my day. I feel excited. Tomorrow is another chance to learn more, to grow more, to be better. I go to bed. I turn off the light. I smile in the dark. I am grateful. This is my routine, simple and good. Every day the same, but every day better. Thank you for watching until the end. Did you like this simple daily routine? Comment below. What is your favorite part of your day? If it helped your English, like the video. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more simple English stories and routines. Practice every day. Share this video with someone who needs it. See you in the next one.